The string functions majorly we can use for to retrieve like any functions like you want to char index, we want to use for the index, you want to position certain position, for that we can use char index. So char index mainly that purpose is to starting position. So it will give the position of, for example, there is a email. In the email you want to give a position for that where that special characters are there. So generally email, what is the special characters? At the rate, right? So at the rate is a special character. So you want to any special character within the string. For that we can use it char index. So let's see email address, right? What is the table we employ? So if you see here, so we employ. Okay. This email address, right? This email address, just can you check it? The other rate position sometimes. So where is the first string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th position it is there, right? The email address at the rate character is there. 7th position is there. If you check here, the second email address. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th position is there. So my requirement is here. My requirement is uh, which position at the rate is there for on each email. So at the rate is there where we need to what is the position. So sometimes, so I can give static in the very first. I can give 7. So for the second email address, the at the rate is the position is 9th position, and if you go for third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4, 5th position is there. So each time it is changing at the rate position. So you want to find out that number where exactly which position is there. For that char index we can use it. Okay, let's go for a char index. One second. So at the rate function, like go for string function. So select star. Let's start from what is the table name? We employee. Apart from this table, I want to the position number. So for that, char index. So char index. So first of all, you have to pass email address, the column name. So you want to give that special character first within the string email address. So if you check here, if you see here, char index at the rate, the very first. So what we can do is simple. I can take two columns only instead of star. So char index. Let's see now execute. If you see here, so at the rate, where is that in the email address? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position is there. We check here at the rate position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th position is there. Okay. Now to find out the char index, to find out the position for any special characters, you can use it char index. Now, okay. So the second function is lower. So whenever it converts, converts the string from uppercase to lowercase. So in that case, we can use lower function. Generally, let's start. Any special kind. ఇవ్వచ్చు ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. Yeah, not only special characters, you want to give C. You want to give C. It will give position. It will give first position. One character only. You want to give like not only one character. You want to works, right? So adventure at the rate works. That will give. Let's see what happened. Will give that position. So work start with starting lovely. Yeah, starting level. So generally my requirement is at the finally I want to split email address. So only before at the rate I want to split it. That is the my requirement. So by using the string function, we want to split it. Okay. This is user ID. Let us assume. So we want to create user ID by using email address. So in this case, let us assume. So in this case, I want to split it. I want to get the output instead of this position. Like this is my requirement. Okay. I want to fetch enter the email address. I don't want to at the rate email address company name. I want to before at the rate I want to get a string. Okay, that's my requirement. So as part of this course, right? As part of today, by using string function, we can split it. That string. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, it's go for lower colors. Whatever the strings are there. The rate. So for example, this first name, so always the letter first one is caps is there. Okay, capitalized. First one cap is there. Second one is small is there. So now I don't want. I want to convert for the entire string small letter, lowercase for the entire word. Okay. If you check even job title also, sometimes every time like capitalized. So for very first letter is caps. So for the entire string, I want to convert lowercase as a job title. That is my requirement. So in this case, okay, in this case, job title. Okay, convert. The syntax is lowercase and give that column name. What is the column name here? Job is job title. sorry, job title. Job title as lower string. Lowercase and job title. Let's say lowercase. Okay, let execute it. See, earlier it is there, every letter has a caps. So you want to see the same thing. Before this, you can able to see here. See, this is job title. Now it convert for everything into lowercase. Similarly for uppercase. Okay, here instead of lower, you can change the uppercase. Whatever the uppercase is there. So you want to convert from lowercase to uppercase by using upper. So if you see check here job title, so everything like the starting word only uppercase there. But I want to showcase everything as a uppercase. So for that, we'll convert uppercase. See here. So replicate. So replicate function mainly you want to replicate how many times that word. So for example, I want to repeat the same thing in this many times. For that, we can use replicate. So let's see. So replicate is a function. You want to repeat. For example, I want to repeat ABC. ABC word. I want to repeat 100 times. So just execute. So ABC it will repeat 100 times. So see ABC one time, or let for example 5 times, so that we can easily understand 5 times. So check here ABC it will repeat 5 times. Okay, you want to give space. Generally we sometimes most of time we never use this function, but option is there. See, you want to give some space ABC 5 times. So let's go for another function. So reverse function. So I'll trim. Okay. So I'll trim and left trim. If there any space, for example, there is space. Hello, 9 a.m. Hello, 9 a.m. class. Let us go. So here I am giving some spaces. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. Here, how many spaces are there? 1, 2. I am giving 2 spaces here also. Here, 3 spaces. So left trim it will remove the empty spaces from left side. will remove the empty spaces from left side. Okay. What happening? So it will remove the empty spaces from left side. So this is my string. If we check here, there is two spaces is there. It will remove. So in the output level, if any spaces are there within the string, it will remove it. See, take this one, enter here. See, left side any spaces is there? Nothing is there, right? If you check here, right side, some spaces is there. Not here. Let us do. Give me a second. I will copy. See, within the string here, how many spaces is there right side? 3. But even left side, we have removed. Left for that, if any unwanted empty spaces are there, so always instead of storing that empty space, instead of that, we can use L trim. So if we give right trim, we'll remove the empty spaces from right side to left side. Similar. But in Power BI, direct trim function is there. No L trim. Whenever you will give apply trim, it will enter the string. It will do that. Okay. So now this or trim it will remove only spaces here from this to this one. Let's see. Check now. Copy. Enter the string. Instead of that, check here. Now it will be there. From left side, some empty spaces are there. So my requirement, I want to remove. Next question is I want to remove both the side, left side and right side. So that first we have to do the left side. First we have to do the left side. So then again you have to write or trim for this string. It will remove trim function. Both the side it will give remove. So you have to apply L trim or trim. Anything is fine. So I want to remove both side at a time. This is the function we can use it. So let's see. No, let's see here now in this statement, it will remove the trim function. It will remove left side and right side. See, no spaces. Will remove both side at a time. So that's the purpose of trim. Returns the data without leading any brackets or spaces is there. It will remove it. So L trim it will remove the left side. R trim it will remove the right side. So here it is there R trim. Returns the data without trailing blanks from right side to left side. Here from left side to right side. So reverse function. So reverse is a you want to convert from generally the words it will start. Huh? Yeah, that's the return. So first we have to apply right side or left side this function. See, this is very first function. So left side, first I applied left side, then followed by for that string, followed by I have applied right side. రెండు ఒకటేసారి రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది. Yeah. Okay. What is the next function is reverse. So reverse, it will give the reverse order for job title. I am going to giving for the job title. Reverse. First you have to give the comma, then reverse. You can give string name. Which string I am going to give for a reverse, reverse for job title. Okay. So it will give the reverse order. So what is the job title name is there? So it will come, see, okay, better, we can, yeah. I'm going to comment. This is the comment, comment, okay. So you want to comment multiple statements. This is the comment. So you want to give, I don't know, multiple statements you want to do at a time, open and start, and by the end, where you want, by end and given the slash. So now, but you want to give only one statement. So for that, for example, I want to give a only for this string comment. So in this case, hyphen hyphen, it will give, it is a single comment, hyphen hyphen. For multiple statements, you can start with this one and end with here. Okay. Otherwise, you have to give hyphen hyphen every line. So this is single comment and multiple comments in SQL Server. So now let's see. So it will give only three words, three columns. So buyer, what is the reverse order? Buyer. Job title is a buyer. What is the reverse order? R will come first. So R come first, second E, then Y, U, P. Reverse order. So reverse, it will give the reverse order from right to left. Will start from right to left. Okay. That is the purpose of reverse. Okay. Okay. Next function is right function. So returns the part of the character string from the right side. Okay. So my requirement is I want to give right side only 4 characters, from right side to 4 characters. So how many letters will come here? Four characters from right side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. U, Y, E are come, right? So you want to only last 4 or 5 any characters you want to particularly, then you can use right function. So right function will give the number of character from right side to left side. So number of characters. So let's see, I'm going to give the string job title right side, and I want to give 4 characters. Okay. So if you check here from right side, I want to 4 characters. Okay, will give job title only 4 characters. Right side it will count. Okay, but my requirement is same. I want to count from left side. So for that, the same thing I want to give left side as well as. I want to count left side starting with from left side and want to count left to right. For that, you can give as left. Okay, 5 characters. Okay, then so it will give this one from last function is left LTS, right? LTS. So I want to execute this string. Okay. So I want to 5 characters. So how many characters I have mentioned? 5 characters. So 5 characters. So the characters coming from which table? Sorry, which column? Job title. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns there. So if you see second string, so 5 characters. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SHIPP. Shipping out of shipping and receiving class. So only I want to give first 5 characters. Okay. So for the next function is length function. So how many letters are there in the within this job title? I want to give the length, entire the length for this string. So for that we can use length. So right click, we can give as length of the job title. Okay. So give comma. So now I am going to execute. It will give the total length for this string. So how many characters are there here within the string? Total 5 characters. The length, how much it is written? 5. So if you check here this string, the total length is 28. So if you go for here, 19 characters total. So for the accountant, how many characters are there? 10 characters. We give the length for the string. So now my requirement is I want to fetch before email address. That's the requirement. So now we will learn, right? So many functions. By using that, I want to get this string. Anyone suggest? Sapori? Okay. Okay. So first letter is, so here two things is required. So let us go. We'll go for one select set. Select this one. So this one is required. So first we need to find out where is the position for at the rate. So in this case, first of all, we can go for with left function. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left of comma 5. 5. Let's do one by one. So here, so this is fine. It is working as expected. But the drawback is you want to give always this static value. Okay. So you want to give static value for entire. So for another one, if it is wherever is 5, this character position is there, you can get. Now I want to replace this position dynamically. So just replace this one. So for that, it will give char index function. So char index function, the syntax is the special character at the rate. We want to find out at the rate character from within the string. What is the within the string? You have to pass this string. Sir, now close bracket for this one. So now check at the rate also come. Okay, so it will give the position. So char index. Give me, yeah, you have to do the -1. Correct. Excellent. So we want to execute this one. Let's see step by step. So char index will give the position 6th position. We are doing at the rate position we are looking. So what is written 6th position. So now we want to do 1 minus 1 for this one. Char index open bracket. After this result, we want to do 1 minus 1. So it will give 6 minus 1 will give the position for 5. So now came the result as accepted. Now the same thing we want to do here. This is for example I do. I want to apply the same thing for dynamically for job for the job sorry for the email address. So when to write here. So now yeah, tell me now left off at the rate similarly at the rate. So what it will give? Let's see. Sorry, left off. Yeah, char index, open braces at the rate email address. Perfect. So close bracket. Yeah. So let's see now. What it will be written? Will return at the rate character for this email address. Okay. Now we want to minus 1. So char index we want to do minus operation for this entire string. Okay. Just execute. Will give the minus. So this is the email ID as email ID. So now email ID came, we extract from email address. Email user ID, or I can say user ID for this email ID or user ID. Okay. So by using email address, we can extract before at the rate of string. So for that, we can use this function. Regular gators. There is one requirement. Can you tell me within this string how many i's are there? How many times are repeating for i's? How many times? Let's count. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There is one more function. Replace. You want to replace something. There is one more function. Replace. I want to replace. I want to replace job title. I position replace with some empty space. So just watch it here. I want to replace I. Replaces space, not space. Just replacing some blank value. Nothing. We are not given any even space also. Not given. Just empty space. Okay. So wherever I is there, this is the job title and this is the replaces. So job title I replacing blank or something, some empty value. So now we have replaced. You want to replace something, you can replace it. So I want to replace I instead of this value, or you want to replace I wherever I is there, you want to replace with P, will replace I replace with P. Let's see. So G, so I is there, here P replaced. Okay. And also you want to officers, right? So you want to replace instead of officers, I want to replace with officers. So this word I want to replace with officers. One S I need to add. So for that, we can use replace function. See, wherever officer is there, we'll replace as officers. Okay, for that, we can use replace function. Okay. Now my question is now, so how many I's are there? You want to find out. So Ravi answer is 4 in this within the string. So this is interview question. It will ask. They will give one string. Let's find out how many number of strings are repeating. So I let us assume they will give I as the input. So how many times are there? It is repeating 4 times, right? So shipping. So I is there in third position and fourth, fifth, sixth position also there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 position is there. 19, 20 position is there. So I even here space also it will take as one character. So now I want to how many times or 4 times happen. The same thing we can achieve in SQL server. You have to give how many times 4 times like that. You have to give an answer. So simple is what I'm trying to is so replacing by using replacing and length function you can achieve it. Okay. So the first very thing what I'm doing is here. So this is my replace function. So select replace. So job title instead of job title I'm going to pass some static value. Okay, this file. So I'm going to replace with I as a blank value. Some blank value. Okay. So it will return. Okay. Will return some string. Now here I is not there within this string. Let length. Give me length for this. Length. So how many letters it will come? 24. Okay. Then now this one comma length of this one. Yeah. Yeah. It will come. Just want to explain. So first length of this one. Length of shipping this one. So actual one. Okay. So now as you know 24 28 minus 24. So first we can make it that one. So first where it is come length, here it is come length, this minus this length. That's all. As repeating repeat size. Okay. So how many times? 4 times. So you want to give only that string right? You can give it instead of this, you can give actual word so that you can easily understand. This is interview question. So many times they ask. So generally, these are the techniques. These are the majorly we can use string functions. Substring also there. That one also helpful for substring. Mhm. A direct function is not. No command to find out the number of characters are repeating. So, so in this another document, so I have said this another document. So lot of functions are there: parity index, replace, write, order, space, str, stop. These all the functions are there. Okay. Go to this document. Just click here. So whenever I want to understand what is substring. So substring is a function. Just it will navigate it one URL, and there are a lot of different definitions are there. Everything. So substring. So this is the syntax. So it will give the we want to extract from if we take here as substring, I want to hello world. So I want to extract only within the string from seventh position to after seventh position. I want to fetch 5 words. So let me take this example as a substring. Okay. So how many letters starting with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7ing it will start. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So now it will give the output as only word. Okay. It will give substring WO or L. You want to extract some part of string within the string, then we can use it substring. So that's the purpose of substring. So in the second document, whatever here, so in this URL, like you can get it all the things, definitions, everything is. So sign, sum, class, and everything is there. Okay. So these are the built-in functions in the SQL server. Any questions so far here? So we'll move next topic. If no questions are there, we'll move next topic. So there is one more functions, ranking functions are there. This is very, very important functions. Okay. So for example, you are participating running or you are participating any exam. So they will give some kind of ranks, right? So what kind of ranks? So for example, the score is ties. So you are participating exam. So the total marks is 100. Out of 100, you got 99. So for the answer, 99 for the science subject. So mathematics, science, and social. So all are 100 marks. Okay, all are 100 subject. This is for student one. Student one. So let us assume this is student one. This is student name. Okay, 99, 100, 200. Sorry, 100, 100. So let us assume give the total function. So in Excel, how we can do sum of this automatically? This click plus this plus this cell plus this cell, K8 cell will give automatically 100. So now we are going to add student 5. Okay, so 98.
Ah,
I'm giving same value.
నేను చదువుకుంటున్నా.
So same value I'm giving 98, 97, 97 or 96. Drag and drop automatically sum this function. This is the Excel automatically do that format. So here, who is the highest topper rank? Student 1. So it will give, if we go for rank function, will give rank function will give 1. So what about second highest? The ranks are twice. The score is tie for both the students. So it will give the same rank. Second, second. Okay. We have rank functions. Rank, then C rank, then C underscore rank. Row number, row number, and type. And type. We have 4 functions are there. So if we go for rank function, it will give the same rank because the score are tie for both the students, right? So now we'll start with fourth rank. So third rank is not there because third rank is generally it will consider as if the ranks are tie. So 2, 3. So but the value is showing 2, then the next value it will show 4. If you go for rank function, so it will skip some values. If you go for rank function, it will give 5. So if you go for the density rank, it will give 1, 2, 2, and it will continue the ranking 3. No gaps in the rank. If you go for rank function, it will give the gap. If the ranks are ties, the score is tie. So then for the next value, will give. If the same value is 3 times is there, 1, 2, 2, 2. Then it will start with 5. So for the row number, it will give the continuous number 1. The ranks are rank even ties also it will come as 2. Then it will next value it will continuous sequence number it will give. We go for row number 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will give 5. Even if the rank is ties also, if we go for row number, it will give it. So entire it will give. So I want to give out of entire 3 peoples, I want to give 3 ranks. Let us assume 3 ranks. Okay, then it will give 1, 2, 2, 3. Sorry, 2, 3. Will split into 3 groups. Simply out of 5, it will split into 3 groups. We cannot guarantee this will give one, or sometimes might be the result will change. We'll split it. So for the entire sprint, we want to, and for the entire, you want to mention number of ranks we want to split it. So out of 5 students is there, we want to give max rank is 3. Okay, this is the ranking functions.
Sir,
Row number,
sir,
yes, Rohit.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్ సార్ ఎంటెల్ లో 1 అనేది 2 టైమ్స్ ఎందుకు రిపీట్ కావచ్చు సార్?
1 అనేది
2 టైమ్స్ ఎందుకు రిపీట్ కావద్దు? అక్కడ 3 అనేది సేమ్ మార్క్స్ లేదే సార్.
యా
థర్డ్
ఇక్కడ ఎంటైల్ లోనా?
ఎంటైల్ లో
ఇది మేబీ అవ్వచ్చు, అది చెప్తున్నది, మనం చెప్పలేము, అది గ్యారంటీగా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా చెప్పలేము. మేబీ 1 అయినా 2 టైమ్స్ గా రిపీట్ అయ్యవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 2 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయ్యి అప్పుడు 1 వస్తుంది, అప్పుడు దీనికి సెకండ్ వస్తుంది, ఇది థర్డ్ వస్తుంది, ఇట్లా రావచ్చు.
ఓకే సార్.
We cannot give guarantee. So, but that function it will give max three ranks. So, if we give 5 ranks, it will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, based on the data, it will split it out of 100 rows is there. 100 rows, it will give 5 ranks. Then it will give one. It will by number of students. It will come automatically. It will max rank is 5. Okay. Let's go for now. So, here see the data, employee info. No. Yes. So that object is not there in this table. That's why it's throwing error. Let's see. So, who is the highest salary? Who is the highest salary? So, order by salary, descending order. So based on this data, we can tell the highest salary is Bob. Okay, Louis Bob. Okay, this is the highest salary person. Okay, so now we can give top highest salary, top 1. If we give top 1, the first row, so it will display only for that record. So this is 5. Now I want to give top highest second highest salary person. Name I want. If you go for this way, it is wrong because it is displaying 2 records. But I want to display only this record. Okay. So this we can give. So for this, we are giving the rank for this one. Then we can do the fetch the which row you want to. We can do it. So for that we can use generally ranking functions. So we have give the ranks for all, for everyone. We have to give the rank for everyone. Then we can give it. So where the rank number equal to this ID only fetch for that employee. So let's see. Now I'm going to create rank functions. The syntax is for rank function is, first we'll go for row number. So row number is a syntax is open bracket, give bracket, row number. Over order by. So order by, here we want to give order by. So this is the syntax, order by. So order by which column we are taking here? salary column, right? Salary column we have to take it as row number. By defaultly, yeah, we have to mention descending order. Okay, we are going highest salary as a that one. So this is one function. Okay, next function is rank function. So just replace with rank function, rank cursor. Let's replace this function with, okay, density rank. Rank. Pencil. So next is entile. So entile. Entile you want to give, how to mention certain cursor. So I'm going to execute this one now. So very clearly, I told right for the RAM. Let me check when his score is high. For this example. Check the salaries are ties for this three. Okay. Even here also ties. Salaries are ties for the few examples. Okay. If you see, check here serial number. So it will give continuous ranking. See if the ranks even ties 8, 9, 10. That's what we have discussed. If we go for row number, if the scores are ties, right, will give the next rank. Continuous number it will give. Similarly, if you check here, if the ranks, the salary is same for both the different employees, but the salary is same for these two employees. But check it if it is, if you go for serial number is nothing but to row number. So what we have written here, row number. So row number. If you go for row number as a serial number, the column name is serial number. So it will give continuous number. If the rank given ties also, it will give the continuous number. So 8, 9, 10. So how many rows are there? It will give the unique. Like if you check here how many rows. Check how many rows. Count 108. So 108 rank came for the serial. Very clear here for serial number. I am done. So I am marking as green. So next ranking function. So what is ranking function? Simply it will give the rank. So for this, check here. For this rank are Y tie. Score is the salary is tie for both student, same salary. So 8, 8. This is absolutely fine. After that, it will skip the number. 9 will skip and start with 10. So let's see again 11. See 12. How many repeats happened? 12. 3 times. 12, 13, 14. Next number is 15. Right? So So number of times if the same rank is twice, so it will skip it, then it will start for the next name. That is called as row number. Then density rank. So density rank, if the ranks are high for both, will give 8, 8. After that, it does not skip any value. Will give the continuous rank. So 8, after that 9, 10. Even these 3 are same salary for these 3 employees. So it will give the same rank. After that, it will give the continuous rank. The interview question is, what is the difference between rank number and density rank? So the answer is the density rank does not give any gap. It will give the continuous ranking, whereas the rank number, it will give, if the score is high, it will give the it will give the gap. That is interview question. And now, so for the entire function I have applied, so how many groups I have applied for the entire, will split it automatically based on the data. It will give the max rank is 3. Check here, the max rank is 3. Any questions?
సార్ ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ సార్.
Yes.
సరే, ఎంటైర్ లో ఏది 1 ఏది 2 ఏది, మీరు అక్కడ 3 అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్ దానికి లోపల. అది ఏది 1 ఏది 2 ఏది 3 అని అదే ఎట్లా డిసైడ్ అవుతుంది సార్ నార్మల్ గా?
It will be used for entire. So for example, you have total 30 employees. I want to split it 30 employees into 3 groups. Okay, it will automatically take 10 employees 1 group, 10 employees 1 group automatically based on, so whatever we have given based on the employee salary, it will split it automatically 3 groups. So now tell me that question. Rohit.
Sir.
What is your question?
ఇప్పుడు ఎంటైర్ లో 3 అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్. టోటల్ గా కౌంట్ వచ్చేసి 100 108 ఉన్నారు కదా సార్.
అవును.
దాంట్లో ఏది 1 ఏది 2 ఏది 3 అని చెప్పేసి తీసుకుంటారు సార్.
అది ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు ఎట్లా డివైడ్ చేస్తా అంటే, సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే, సో టోటల్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు మనకు? టోటల్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ 108 డివైడెడ్ బై 3, right? So what is the answer? 36, 36, 30, 36. We will give the employees. First 36. First 36. Let's say this will go for 36. Will give first rank. Here. So next to 36. You got it, my point? So first it will take how many rows are there? So 108 rows are there for this. So 108, it will split into 3 groups. So you want to 108 split into 3 groups equal to, so divided by number of groups, right? 3 groups. So each, so how many rows it will give? First to 36 employees, it will give the first rank. From 36 to 36 next. 72, right? 72 records, it will give the second rank. See, 72. See, will give 72 is second rank. From 72, next records 36, it will give third rank. Got it?
Yes sir, got it sir. Yes sir, got it.
సో ఎట్లా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తుందంటే, మనకు మొత్తం 108 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 108 రికార్డ్స్ ని మనకు ఎలా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తుంది అంటే, 108 by how many groups you want. So for example, now if you want to give 4, it will give 27 records. First to 27 records, it will give as 1 rank. From 27 to next to 27 records, it will give as rank as 2. Like that, it will give automatically. Okay, sometimes what is happens sometimes. So for example, నువ్వు uh, 101 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దీన్ని 2 groups గా స్ప్లిట్ చేయాలని. సో 2 groups గా స్ప్లిట్ చేయాలంటే ఎన్ని రికార్డ్స్ వస్తాయి? ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి 50.5 వస్తాయి. మనకి ఎట్లా స్ప్లిట్ కాదు కదా గ్రూప్, అందుకు ఫస్ట్ 50 రికార్డ్స్ స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ గ్రూప్ 2 కి వచ్చేసి సెకండ్ అంటే 51 రికార్డ్స్ వస్తాయి. 50, 51 స్ప్లిట్ ఇట్ 2 groups. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So talking about the definitions for the row number ranking function, sometimes we need to provide a row number to these to the rows in a table within their partition, like you want to give any partition. So here the syntax is partition. So now the requirement is simple. I want to requirement is I want to give the employee name where the second highest salary, and I want to give the second highest salary each department wise. So here, so for that I need how many columns? Select employee, select sort from. This is very interview question. Please focus on this part. What are the columns I required? Okay. Select first name, comma, last name, email, salary. Sure. I need 4 columns and department ID. Okay. Let's see. Order by salary, descending order, and comma department ID. I want to give to order by salary descending order along with department wise. What is the highest salary department? Second highest salary department 20. This record, right? This user Pat is the high second department. This user Vita. Now so for department 0, only second highest salary is we are unable to fetch it because only one user is there. So this always give the first rank. So second, no record. That's why we are not able to fetch this data. Always give the rank as 1. So for the 10th department also only one employee is there. Highest salary for that always. For the second department, let us assume this is highest, this is second one. So we want to fetch only this user. Okay. We want to fetch only this user. So from department 2, second highest salary, this user, we want to fetch. And department 40, no, only one record. Department 50, again, we have second highest salary, this one. And department 60, second highest salary, this user. 70, no, 80, this user, right? 90, this user. department 100, this is the second highest salary. 111, this is the department. Even both salaries rise, right? Both salaries rise. We'll fetch it. So now we want to only fetch wherever that highlighted in yellow, those employees I want to. Okay, each department. The very first initial step is okay. First department, leave it. Department, leave it as of now. So, what is the second highest salary for the entire employees? What is the second highest salary for the entire department? For all the departments. I am not considering as of now department wise. The second highest salary is 24,000. This belongs to department 90. Okay. The second highest, I want to fetch only this record. So how we can achieve it? So I already discussed about rank function. Okay, rank functions. So always for better solution for the any salary, always we go for density rank. It will give the highest correct values. So what is happening if we go for row number? What is the drawback? It will give the continuous rank. If the score is high, if the salary is same for that, it will give always false result, right? Does not work. So in this case, it will give only for the first one. If you go for row number, so this record cannot change because even the rank so the salary is same for both employees, but it will fetch only for this record. If you go for row number, so row number is not suitable. Rank also it will skip. Sometimes 1, 2, 2, then it will skip 3. For the next number is 4. So don't go for this one. Density rank is suit for us always. So now I am going to create density rank. Okay, density rank. So syntax is density rank over partition by is optional. So it's a optional. So as of now, over we have to give the order by column. Which column we are going to give the order by? Over salary. So order by salary. So you have to give order by salary descending order. So as row number, let us look. So it will give the row number column. Okay. So I want to give the now for the this is completely I am keeping one more table. Select star from open braces and close braces. So in the close braces always give as alias name as A will throw error. Order by we cannot use always. Order by does not support within the inline table. So you want to order by after that order by salary descending order you can give it. That will give it. Will execute. Okay. Now we want to give here the where. What is the highest salary? Which employee I want to fetch? Stephen King, right? Second highest salary. Stephen King. You want to give where row number equal to 2. Row number equal to 2. It will give only for that record. Huh? Got it. So I want to give third highest salary. Third highest salary. Which highest salary you want to give? You can give it. Automatically 1. What is the third highest salary? What is third highest salary person? This person, Nina. See, right? This is correct, right? You want to give fourth, will come. So this is the way of to find. This is only for entire the data, entire for all employees. Now my requirement is, now the second requirement is, I want to give the rank each department wise. Each department wise. This is for overall employees, all employees. We are not considering department wise. So now the second requirement is, we want to give the total rank is overall department wise. Sorry, each department wise. Now the second requirement is, so a simple thing is, we have to write partition by department wise, means we are doing some grouping function. So instead of that, partition by. Partition by which column? Department ID. So just department ID. That's all. It will give each department wise second highest, fourth highest salary. If we go for second highest salary, will give each department wise. So let us assume 20th department. So 20th department, what is the second highest salary? Earlier part, the same person came. The 30th department, this record came, Alexander, the same thing came, right? This is the way of partition by is optional. But you want to do any group, any department wise, highest department wise, then you have to give a department ID. That's all. That's all for today class. Any questions?